Eva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we have another Starbucks Refresher recipe for you. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So in today's video we're going to be making the Starbucks Violet drink. Super exciting. So you've seen me use coconut milk on my channel before. I've made a ton of different refreshers now and Starbucks, copycat videos, but this one I'm really excited for because the last time I used this coconut milk was so good. So this is going to be a play on the Hibiscus Refresher, but instead of using the just normal water or the hibiscus syrup that we made with the freeze-dried hibiscus flowers or using the grapefruit juice, we're going to be using coconut milk here today. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make your hibiscus tea just as normal. You're going to take your tea bag, you're going to put it in your boiling water or your hot water, whatever, and let that steep for a few minutes and let that just chill at room temperature. I've already done that and I have my ice ready, so it's real cool. So once you're done with that, then I'll show you what to do next. So this is going to be super quick and easy. So you're just going to have your hibiscus refresher already done. Now this has no added water other than what you used for the tea, no syrup, no grape juice, none of that. It's just going to have this, and if you want to add the green coffee extract for the caffeine, you can do that. Then we're going to have our blueberries and our coconut milk. So I'm going to put the coconut milk in there first. Let's see if I can open this sucker today. These are my real nails, so I don't want to break them. Alright. So all we're going to do, how thick and creamy that is. I'm dying. So we're just going to add this right to the top. Now, let's get a nice little pour going. You ready? So much for a pour. Look at that, you guys. How thick and creamy that is. We're turning purpley. We're getting there. Now you guys can add this to a mason jar. You can add this to a different cup and shake it if you want, but I'm good just doing this. And then we're just going to add in some fresh blackberries right on top. Can you take it, you guys? How good does this look, you guys? We have our violet drink. It's actually a really pretty color and this smells phenomenal. I can't wait to try this. Okay guys, so now it's time for my favorite part, to try some. So good, you guys. So as you guys saw, I added a little bit more coconut milk than I intended to just because it's all over the place, but this is good. This is really good. And I love the thickness that coconut milk added to it. It's definitely a different texture. I love the color. Now you guys know I love pink, obviously. Every drink is pink. But this, the flavor is amazing. I love that little tropical coconut flavor that we have in there. I love the color. Something that's just pretty and really nice to look at. It's real good in my book. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and little bell so you don't miss another of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes, just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.